Ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Whether you're a student, creator, or business owner, you need tools that can keep up with you. Well, in 2025, ChatGPT is leading the AI automation revolution thanks to its powerful agent mode and study mode. Let's dive into how these features are changing the game. For anyone new here, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses advanced language models. With ChatGPT, automating your daily workflow is easier than ever. Schedule meetings, draft emails, and generate reports all in one place, and it all happens in seconds. Personally, I use ChatGPT to organize my calendar, plan out videos, and even write YouTube descriptions. Agent mode takes it further. Imagine an AI assistant that not only chats but actually gets things done for you. Just say, book my next meeting, and ChatGPT will handle everything for you. ChatGPT Study Mode is your new secret weapon. Whether you need help with math, research summaries, or exam practice, Study Mode customizes the learning experience for you. It's like having a tutor available anytime. Millions are using ChatGPT to save time, automate tasks, and learn smarter. Want to unlock the real power of ChatGPT? Like, subscribe, and comment to let me know about the AI tools you use. I'll be back soon. Take care and stay blessed.